Hello everyone, welcome today on a Wednesday. Wednesday, the last day in November. Wednesday, November the 30th, 2022. 1 month to go. Then it will be 2023. Well, we have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzle, the medium Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. And we have good news. We have the additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars Sudoku, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. And the final one is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested, so total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them, half of them I will solve, otherwise it will be too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. And what's the news of today? Well, it's today war day number 280. 280. Yes, 280 days ago the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. 280 days. Well, let me continue with the puzzles. The first one I will do is a binary puzzle, and this will be number 5559. Yes, 5559. Let me mark this with 5559. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 23 printed digits. Okay. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 printed binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright. Here we have 5 O's. That means the 5th O should be in one of these 4 boxes. So it can be here, can be there. So those should be a 1. Alright. So let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O. Alright. Let me see. Let me continue. Double, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Yeah. Double 1, here no, there no. 5 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1, between the ones comes an O. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Yeah. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 5 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Okay. Then double 1, here no, there no. 2, 3, 4. Between the O's comes an 1. Well. And now. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O, here one, there one. Here we have also 4. Interesting. Yeah. Now. Need to compare, I think. And I believe this row and that row is almost the same. Empty box. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box. Need to switch these 2 digits. Not good. These 2 digits. Not this one, but this one. Okay. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Okay. 5 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Need to compare again. The question is which row or column? Well. Look to this row and that row. Look to the ones. Here we have a 1. Here we have a 1. Here we have a 1. And there we have a 1. So 4 ones are the same. That means that the 5th one I cannot place here. Otherwise, we have identical rows. So this box should be an O then. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. But it's not helping me. How about double O here? Yeah. This row, this column, and that column. Empty box. 1 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Alright, double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones. If I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth a 1. So that box should be an O. Alright, and now. Yeah. we have 11. No, 11. Double O here. Here, 1 O. This row, this row, and that row. Yeah. Let me compare. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have O here, this should be a 1. Double 1. Oh wait, 1 2 3 4 5 1. So rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Need to compare again. I cannot believe this. Cannot believe this. Yeah. This column and that column. A lot of comparing this time with 10 by 10. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Empty box. We need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two 1's comes in O. 1 2 3 4 5. Correct. 1 2 3 4 5. Correct. 1 2 3 4 5. Completed in 11 minutes. Wow, a lot of comparing this time. 1 2 3 4 times. Cannot believe this, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later on with the other two puzzles, the medium Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.